of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday.
Your boys are back.
And today we have Sparkling Peach Vibe by Celsius. Love it!
I'm imagining a light and crisp taste.
That's what I'm kind of thinking.
Faint.
Sparkling White Peach.
Mhm.
That's the specific name on it. But once again, beautiful, beautiful Miami type can. So that's pretty cool there. So I'd say what we got in the important factoids here. We got ourselves 10 calories, 2 grams of carbohydrate, not too bad, 60 milligrams of vitamin C, 1.7 milligrams of riboflavin, 20 milligrams of niacin, nice, 2 milligrams of B6, 6 micrograms of B12, 300 micrograms of biotin, 10 milligrams of acid. We got 50 milligrams of calcium, 50 micrograms of chromium, and 0 milligrams of sodium. And this has been the guarana seed extract, caffeine as caffeine hydrous, and ginger extract, root and green tea leaf extract is the energy blend with 200 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can. Ooh, that is beautiful.
Sebring orange? What?
Yeah. That's a very limited cut on that too, which is interesting. But let's see how this thing tastes with 200 milligrams of caffeine.
More like a
Not much of a smell.
Yeah, it's probably more of a clear.
I'm double checking. It does say peach on it.
Maybe you got a bad one.
Okay, so initial brain thought is pear.
Yeah.
Right at the end of the taste, though, you get a very sweet peach. It is.
That's weird. It's part of the vibe.
Yeah, because it's like right at the end there. That is weird. But yeah, but it's like my initial.
Okay.
The initial taste buds is like, ooh, we got a pear.
Oh yeah, very soft.
Mm-hmm. And then you get the peach at the very end.
That is very, very, very soft.
Yeah, it's a very soft flavor on it.
Yeah, more pear at first. You definitely see that tea, the heavy tea influence, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it's good. I kind of like that because not the taste per se. Yeah, peach is predominant on the tail end there.
Mm-hmm.
Of that, that's a scientific enough lingo, but yeah.
Yeah.
At the end of the taste buds there, at the end of the taste is like, ah.
Yeah. But I mean, the first initial taste is definitely pear, which is weird.
Very, very soft
Yeah.
peach. Good though.
Yeah.
Very tasty.
Yep, it's definitely refreshing, but yeah, it's just a little bit of a mind twister at the very beginning, because it's just like, that tastes like pear, and then you get at the end of the taste, you get the peach, but it's very interesting how that combines. Once again, beautiful can art. I can definitely drink that again. That's definitely a go and drink some more.
Now, is it Celsius that has their different levels? Like they got the rehab?
They have, what it is, they have some that have the tea base, and then others like these are the,
It's like a hydration?
it's the sparkling versus the actual soda base. It's the sparkling, which these have been really good sparkling, yeah. Yeah, because none of them have the soda base.
Right,
so,
right.
But yeah, that is very tasty. I can definitely go and pick that up again
One of those little
and drink.
the drinks at Walmart, whatever those things, sparkling,
Exactly.
lemon lime,
Yeah.
or whatever.
But yeah, I can definitely go and drink that small. So I'd probably say SRT.
Mm-hmm.
And be pretty good with it. So.
Yeah. That's not bad though.
Not bad.
Good flavor.
So let us know what you guys think of the different Celsius flavors. Let us know what your favorite is, and we'll see you guys here next time. Bye-bye.